Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues in your Marshall Willen II speaker. So, first we need to enter settings, and here into connected devices. On your iPhone, enter settings and then Bluetooth. Here scroll down to the current preferences and tap here Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth, and now turn off your speaker using this power button over here. Now our speaker is turned off and everything is turned off. After 10 and 20 seconds we have to turn on our speaker back again and turn on Bluetooth back again. It should work now, but if it doesn't we have to do a hard reset of our device. It should help us now, but if hard reset didn't work we have to contact device support because our device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.